What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I got a news for you guys. I finally hit my stop loss twice. So I'm gonna jump right in my video, guys. I won't take too long. So let me just make myself a little bit smaller. So basically all the winning streaks is go at the end. So my one came in, but I still don't care about it. Let's just see how my curve looks like. Yeah, my curve looks like that. It looks pretty solid. That's how it should look, a curve. So you can't go just straight up. You can't really go. So my one, it was going kind of up. Here I had some small losses, and since then I just was keep getting up. Here was the peak of 25.56 and 68 cents, and then smashed back to 1963. So it's not too bad, man. It's not too bad. So basically, how you see here, I had like, I kind of was risking 0.25 per trade, but if you see here like $600. So basically, due to the fact that my equity, it was like 102,500, yeah. So the 25% used to be like almost $300. So at the end, I'm back to normal. I'm still on my 60%, which is pretty damn nice. And we go on average of 2.41, which is pretty damn nice. And we got 46 average loss, which I think that's not the correct one, but anyway, that's what my stats is showing. And we got 113 of profit. So it's not too bad, not too bad at all. How you see is on limits go straight to the trades that I took, yeah. So basically they were right here. It's very simple trades, guys. I was seeing all this consolidation, then I was seeing this break, took this low, this high, and this high, and even this high. So all the highs is being taken out. Very simple concept, and with a big push. You see, it wasn't like just normal, it was a big push. And then beautifully, how you seeing it was coming down to my point of interest, which was this one. Yeah, basically all this, it was my point of interest. So basically it was coming here, and I took a trade from here, rejected, came back, I took a trade, and it was going kind of beautifully to the upside. Yeah, I was in a good profit. I even made a TikTok on that, and I literally just finished my video on TikTok, and then price just dumped. And everybody who knows, I'm always trading like the break and retest, and I'm giving 2 choices a day. So I took here a trade also, and just literally stopped me out and moved to the upside. So it is what it is, man. I can't complain about it. I still kept myself as trader like very professional. I kept my management in place. I kept my strategy in place, and there's nothing what I can do about it, because if I did hit a stop loss, then it is a stop loss, and there's nothing what you can do about it. So yeah, guys, that was my video for today. If you like it and you want more videos like that, just comment down below which topic do you want me to cover next, or maybe do you want me to show you different things, or wherever you wanna see on my future videos. Just comment down below, and I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Love. I'm out.